Very good morning to all. Today we will start with the second question. That is a long question in that define the health. Next is determinants of health that are factors influencing health and impact of illness on patient and family members. Okay. Definition of health must be clear to each and every student that health is a state of complete physical, mental, social, and spiritual well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. This definition was given by WHO, that is World Health Organization. In that continuation, the question that is factors influencing health. Factors, if the question is asked factors influencing health or second determinants of health, then answer will be same for both the questions. Okay. So determinants of health or factors influencing health, in that mainly 7 factors are there which are influencing the health of the individual. In that genetic makeup, environment, lifestyle, socioeconomic condition, education and occupation of the individual, and availability of the health services. Okay. So these are the determinants of the health. Now we will discuss one by one. Okay. First, that is a genetic makeup. Okay. Genetic makeup, that means the genes which we got from our parents or the offsprings. Okay. Why genetic makeup is influencing health? Because there are so many diseases which can transfer from parents to the next generation. Okay. So that is the genetic makeup. Okay. The physical and mental traits of human being, they are to a large extent, and they are determined by the nature of genes. Means how our physical traits, how our mental traits is there, that is determined by the genes that we are getting from our parents or from the offsprings. A number of diseases that results due to transportation of genes or irregular genes, in that chromosomal abnormalities, errors of metabolism, mental retardation, and some type of the diabetes. These diseases, they are transferred by the genes to the children. Okay, so that is first factor, genetic makeup, they are influencing the health. Second one is the environment. Environment, that is mostly the surrounding of the individual, that is known as the environment. Okay. You have already learned that there are two types of environments are there, that is internal environment, and second one is the external environments. Internal environment, that is inside of the human body, means our anatomy and physiology is there, the functioning of our organs, that is anatomy, and that is internal environment. And second one, that is external, that is weather, environment, some pollutions are there, so they are also affecting the environments. Okay. So environment, that is composed of internal and external factors, and they determine the health of the individual. The internal environment, it implies the cells, tissues, organs and body system. If any system is not working properly, then it can lead to a disease, that is internal environment. And external environment, that is composed of all physical, biological, social, cultural factors, and that affects the health both positively as well as negatively, and makes a person that they are more susceptible to the illnesses. So these two types of environments are there. First factor, genetic makeup. Second factor, environment. Third, that is lifestyle. Okay. In the lifestyle, you are writing that patients' dietary pattern, sleeping pattern, if they are having any bad habit, that comes under the lifestyle. Here also the same thing will be there. The lifestyle is a very important determinant of the health. It is composed of socio-economic status, because socio-economic status, they find out or they can come to know that how the patients, they are affordable to take the diet, to take the healthcare services. Habits of individual, if any individual they are having the bad habit of alcohol, smoking, then it can lead to a certain risk of certain diseases. Socio-cultural factors in that the customs and religions. Some religious beliefs are there, some customs are there that can also affect some degree of the health of the individual. The habits of smoking, alcoholism, it affects badly the health status of an individual. Good environmental sanitation means proper cleanliness, good nutrition, sound sleep means proper 8 hours of sleep, sufficient physical activity, that is exercise, yoga, they denotes the positive sides of health status than the poor environmental conditions. Okay, so by this way the lifestyle is affecting the health of the individual. Next is socio-economic condition. Okay. In the developed countries there is very less percentage of morbidity and mortality cases are there. Nowadays, due to increase in the economy of developing countries, the morbidity and mortality rates has been decreased because people with good condition, they can buy better nutritional components, they can have better sanitation conditions that helps in improving the health status of the individuals. So socio-economic condition of the individual and of the country, that is largely influencing the health of the individual patients or persons. So we have up till now learned 4 factors, that is genetical makeup, that is gene from parents, environment, internal and external, lifestyle, that is habit, exercise, diets, socio-economical condition in developed countries and in developing countries, morbidity and mortality rates. Next factor, that is education. Okay. Education, that is to determine the health status. As an educated persons, they have more knowledge about the factors improving quality of life than an illiterate person. Okay? Because if education is there, then the people, they are having some knowledge or they are aware about the healthcare facilities, they have some knowledge regarding the health, so they improve the quality of the life than the illiterate people. So education, it helps to achieve a proper health status. Next is occupation. Occupation means where the person is working. Okay? Occupation plays a very important role in determining the health status, because as the persons who are involved in the occupation, they require only documentary work, are more susceptible to get obese and developing of the heart disease. Means the persons who are working only on the sitting, means there is no physical work, then there are chances of obesity and development of the heart diseases. Next, if a persons who are involved in occupation, they require more physical activities, they are more physically active and they will be healthy compared to the obese people. Okay. Next, some occupational hazards. If some certain factories are there, for example our profession, there are chances of infection in the nursing profession, so that is also a occupation, that is a hospital environment, they can affect the health of the individuals. Okay, so that is occupation. Next is the health services, means the health services that is given by the government. Provision of health services, it will also determine the health status, as nowadays the health services and facilities, they are provided better to the urban community than the rural areas people, because in the urban there are so many hospitals are there, government, private hospitals are there. Okay? So they can have a timely healthcare services, or immediately if the need arises, they can immediately get the services compared to the rural areas peoples. That is why the incidence of illness is low in urban areas. Examples of health services, that is immunization of the children, that is vaccination that are given, provision of safe water supply, that is safe and clean water, care of pregnant women and children, means that is antenatal care, care of pregnant women and care of the children, and primary healthcare services are there. So healthcare services is also influencing the health of the individuals. Okay, so these are the factors which affects the health. Okay, I'm only revising the headings, that is first genetic factor, second environment, next lifestyle, socio-economic conditions, next is education, and the literate and illiterate people, occupation, that is sedentary work, documentary works, and physical activity, and health services by the governments. So these are the factors which affect the health of the individuals.